If you're looking into MindPlexa AI, you're probably wondering if it lives up to the hype. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or someone exploring the newest AI tools, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether MindPlexa is right for you. And hey, stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive insights on how this software compares to others. First off, let me say this. MindPlexa is making waves. It's one of the latest AI tools to drop, and I've spent a significant amount of time testing it. So let's dive right in. For starters, the interface. MindPlexa is incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're new to AI or you've been using tools for a while, the learning curve is minimal. The dashboard is sleek and intuitive, which is a huge plus. It's not often you see AI software that is this easy to navigate without compromising on features. Now, let's talk about its core functionality. One of the main things MindPlexa does is automate a range of tasks, from content creation to customer interaction and even data analysis. This software is built for marketers, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to scale up without burning out. What makes it stand out is its ability to integrate multiple AI technologies into one seamless platform, saving you time and improving productivity. For example, it can generate personalized emails or social media posts in a matter of seconds, something that used to take hours. One of the features that's really impressed me is the AI-driven analytics engine. MindPlexa can analyze vast amounts of data in real time and provide insights that you can actually act on. Whether you're trying to improve your website's conversion rate or optimize your social media campaigns, this tool gives you actionable intelligence that's both deep and precise. The second thing you need to know is its versatility. MindPlexa AI works across a range of industries, from e-commerce to consulting, even small businesses and large enterprises. It's designed to be flexible, meaning you can customize it to suit your needs. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a team, the adaptability is a big win. But of course, no software is perfect. One area where MindPlexa could improve is its customer support. While the documentation is solid, some users report slow response times for more complex issues. So keep that in mind if you need 24/7 support. Another thing worth mentioning is its pricing model. MindPlexa offers a free trial, which is great if you want to test it out before committing. The subscription plans, however, might be a bit on the higher end for smaller businesses. If you're just starting out, it's something to consider, but it's worth the investment if you're looking to scale. As for AI accuracy, MindPlexa delivers. Unlike many other AI tools that sometimes give you generic results, MindPlexa uses advanced learning algorithms to make sure its outputs are highly relevant and personalized. If you're running ads or crafting targeted campaigns, this tool can really help you hit the mark. And let's not forget the integrations. MindPlexa works well with other major platforms like Google Analytics, Shopify, and HubSpot, making it a perfect fit for anyone already using these tools in their business. But the question remains, is it the best AI software out there? That depends on your needs. If you're in digital marketing or running an online business and you need a powerful AI to help you automate tasks and gain insights, MindPlexa AI should definitely be on your radar. Before I wrap up, remember you can try MindPlexa for free through the first link in the description. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations for AI software that can help you level up your business. Be sure to check out those options below. In conclusion, MindPlexa AI brings a lot to the table. With its ease of use, powerful analytics, and flexibility, it's definitely a tool worth considering. But always weigh the price and support options to ensure it's the right fit for your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.